Good morning. This is Mr. Sala. It is Friday, October 2nd. This is not an assignment, but I did mention in class on Wednesday and Thursday that I would post the Revolutions reading info, just some focus information as you make your way through and take note. Here are some of the vocabulary terms you would want to understand as they are mentioned in the reading. So here is the list here. And here are the main topics you would want to address as you're going through the reading. So this first one relates to the topics of the book, specifically the physics topics, and who were the scientists responsible for developing the theories on those topics. And then from the actual reading, you're looking at info on the Black Death, how commercial needs contributed to the scientific revolution, and then Copernicus's contributions, the motivation behind Tycho Brahe's contributions, and then just understanding some of the background of Johannes Kepler and his three laws of planetary motion. So that's that sheet that I mentioned I would post for you. And then the other thing, again, since the majority of you are juniors, and I'm kind of assuming most of you are going to move on to university at some point, as seniors going away right away, or your junior senior year. Next year, next fall, October 1st is when you can go ahead and apply for FAFSA, your federal student aid. So I had posted this for FICE, so there's some information here. I did want to draw your attention to Momence's guidance page, where you need to be aware it's there and start looking at and understanding about deadlines for applications and scholarship opportunities. So this is Momence's guidance page. The link is there. The other one is one of the resources I found. I think it's pretty good for Peatone High School. This takes you to their guidance page, and you have career, college, and financial planning. This is just a great resource that has all of these links. There's even information here about if you want to go into the trades, exploring, what type of career you want to go into. College planning links right here, and then the bottom part is financial aid links. Local community colleges, obviously KCC, and then up in Western Will County you have Joliet Junior College. There's a tab here for all of your state universities. So if you're looking at any of the state schools, here's the links there. If you're considering the service at all, here is the tabs for all of the service branches here, and some information about the ASVAB. That's the test you would take as you go into any branch of the services, because it's almost like the ACT, SAT for the military, and the higher you score, that will allow you to be open to some of the better jobs in the military. So there's some good information there. Finish your Revolutions reading. Finish your notes for Chapter 4. Have a good weekend, and we will talk to you on Monday and Tuesday.